In this video, I will show you how you can pair your AirPods 4 with any Samsung phone. Now, in front of me, I have a Samsung tablet, and in this video, I will pair my AirPods 4 with this Samsung tablet, but the process will remain the same in any Samsung device. Now, before we start on your Samsung device, just go to Settings. Now, under Settings, in the Connection section, just tap on Bluetooth. From here, just make sure you enable Bluetooth. After you enable Bluetooth, now just open the lid of your AirPods case. Now just make sure that you have enough charge in your AirPods. If your AirPods are low on charge, just plug your AirPods into charge for a couple of minutes. And after that, just open the lid of your AirPods case. Now just double tap on the LED on your AirPods case. Once the LED starts blinking white, then this indicates that you have entered into pairing mode. Now on your Samsung device, you will find the signal of your AirPods on the screen. You just tap on Scan, and once your tablet starts scanning, it will find the signal of your AirPods. Now just tap on the name of your AirPods and select Pair. And as you can see, we have successfully connected our AirPods 4 with our Samsung device. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.